We stand at the shore watching waves meet the land. To most people, sea level feels stable, a permanent line drawn across the planet. But the truth is, today's sea level was never meant to be here. It is a temporary pause, after countless catastrophes, meltings, impacts, and cooling events. In Earth's earliest age, there was no true ocean. The surface burned with magma. Water existed not as blue horizons, but as vapor trapped between sky and mantle. Volcanoes erupted endlessly. Steam was released, cooled, condensed. Rain fell for millions of years. Only then did oceans begin to drown the lowlands. We say sea level as if it were a straight line, but Earth is not flat. It spins, it flexes, it deforms. When ice sheets grow, vast amounts of water are locked on land. Sea levels fall, land bridges emerge. When ice melts, water returns to the oceans. Sea levels rise, civilizations retreat. This didn't happen once, it happened hundreds of times. 20,000 years ago, Earth stood at the peak of the last ice age. North America, Europe, Northern Asia, buried beneath ice kilometers thick. Sea level then was nearly 120 meters lower than today. Many of today's coastlines were once far inland. As climate warmed, the ice did not collapse. It simply vanished, but slowly was still too fast for humans. As climate warmed, the ice did not collapse. It simply vanished, but slowly was still too fast for humans. Over 10,000 years, seas rose rapidly, drowning plains, valleys, ancient settlements. Flood myths across cultures are no coincidence. They are memories, geology preserved as stories. So why didn't sea level keep rising? Because Earth reached a fragile balance. The rate of ice melt, the ocean's heat absorption, the slow rebound of the crust. For now, they cancel each other out. This is not an ending, it is only a pause. Today's sea level does not exist for humanity. It is simply the height Earth occupies at this moment in time. If climate shifts, if ice disappears again, this seemingly stable line will move, because in Earth's timeline, nothing is ever truly fixed. When the ice vanished, it wasn't only the water that moved, the land responded too. Crust once crushed beneath ice sheets began to rebound slowly, not over years, not over generations, but over tens of thousands of years. In some regions, land rose nearly as fast as the sea itself, and so humans believed the ocean had stopped. Sea level is not the same everywhere, because ice has gravity. Massive ice sheets pull ocean water toward them. When ice exists, nearby seas sit higher. When ice melts, that pull disappears and water redistributes. In some regions, the sea retreats faster than expected. In others, it rises with no escape. On Earth's timescale, this is an unusually calm moment. No super ice age, no planet-scale impacts, no chain of global volcanic eruptions. Sea level appears stable. But this stability is not the norm, it is an exception. Human civilization was built almost entirely along this line. Ports, deltas, coastal cities, all exist on one assumption: the sea would remain still. Agriculture, trade, empires, technology, all bet on the same belief that Earth would stay as it is. It was a gamble with no contract. We treat sea level as a background, but it is part of the story. It decides where people can live and where they must leave, which rivers shape civilizations, and which cities become ruins. It is not passive, it never was. Today's sea level is like a single breath of the planet. The next exhale may raise it or lower it. Earth does not need stability, only we do. If you could stand on the same shore for 100,000 years, you would see the sea advance, then retreat. You would watch land sink, then rise again. And this moment is only one frame. Music swells, then fades out. Climate is never still. It is an endless conversation. Atmosphere, oceans, glaciers, land. Each element pulls, balances, negotiates with the others. Sea level is only a temporary mark in this dialogue. Heat transfer, thermal expansion of water, melting polar ice, these forces never stop. They do not pause for our cities. Meteor impacts, volcanic eruptions, shifts in ocean circulation, Every extreme event can send sea level rising or falling abruptly. Some changes last days, others millions of years. Today's stability is merely a pause after countless shocks to the Earth. The ice sheets of Antarctica and Greenland act as silent guardians controlling the planet's water. When they grow, sea retreats. When they melt, oceans expand. They are the true rulers of sea level, and we are mere spectators. In the past few centuries, humans began to influence sea level. We burn fossil fuels, release greenhouse gases, accelerating glacier melt. This is a new force competing with Earth's natural rhythm. Sea level is no longer controlled only by geology and climate. It is responding to us. If greenhouse gases continue to rise, the ice of Antarctica and Greenland will inevitably melt. Sea level will rise by meters, even tens of meters, forcing coastal cities to retreat. The future sea level will no longer be today's temporary line. It will redraw the map of the Earth. Sea level in Earth's time never pauses for us. 1,000 years may seem long to us. To Earth, it is but a breath. The coasts we see as stable are only a brief frame in the planet's long history. To understand sea level, one must look beyond today's tides and waves. We must see the life and death of glaciers, the flow of heat, the breathing crust, the spinning planet. Sea level is the quietest and yet most dramatic recorder. It links past, present, and future, etched in water along every coastline.